When humans first kindled the fire, the wheels of history have never stopped turning. The invention and utilization of tools have propelled the advancement of human civilization. The scientific and technological revolution and industrial transformation are on the cusp of a major breakthrough. The CNBM High-End Equipment Intelligent Manufacturing Park has emerged in response to the call of the times, initiating a new chapter of innovative intelligent manufacturing. Here stands the very core base for CNBM's high-end equipment manufacturing, pioneering the shift from traditional manufacturing to intelligent creation, with an annual production capacity of 400,000 tons of high-end equipment. The core equipment products include roller press, vertical mill, bucket elevator, grate cooler, powder separator, dosing scale, 3D printing equipment, environmental dedusting equipment, large-scale equipment steel structures, etc. It is not just a manufacturing hub, it's also a vanguard of intelligent innovation in the equipment manufacturing industry. From R&D and design to simulation experiments, from material cutting to unmanned delivery, from robotic welding to turning, grinding, drilling, and milling, from quality inspection to automated assembly, from centralized spraying to loading and shipping. The park is moving forward along the development path of high-end quality, intelligence, globalization, and specialization, dedicated to building itself into a domestically leading and globally top-notch high-end equipment intelligent manufacturing base and industrial incubation center. High-end quality helps build strong brands, while intelligence adds competitive edge. The fruits of scientific research and development lies in the significant liberation of productivity. We set our sights on world-class standards, guided by the criteria of lighthouse factories. From R&D to production, from inspection to service, comprehensively enhancing lean management, automation, informatization, digitalization, and intelligence to meet customer needs more precisely. Lean control of indicators lays a solid foundation for stable product quality. The application of intelligent production drives a leap in process efficiency. Comprehensive informed test management makes the processing process transparent and visible. The digital integration platform opens up data sharing channels between the front end and back end. Human-machine collaborative manufacturing enables data-driven precise decision-making. The pursuit of perfection is a craftsmanship heritage that has endured for millennia. Today, intelligent analysis of platform data, precise inspection of product quality, safety hazards have nowhere to hide. Engineers can remotely inspect virus operating equipment through AR glasses. One-click operation for production, one-click command for multiple machines, one-click dispatch for logistics. The pursuit of intelligence not only makes products more competitive, but also provides customers with more comprehensive services. Here, the product landscape of intelligent manufacturing is being redefined. If intelligence is an inevitable trend for enterprise development, then environmental sustainability is the responsibility of enterprise development. In this carbon-negative factory, the energy and dual carbon system enables full process monitoring of water, electricity, and gas. Integrated photovoltaic and energy storage facilities embody the practice of green energy conservation. The VOC treatment system ensures zero pollution emissions during painting. R&D efforts focus on creating green and energy-saving products. Here, the Green Symphony has become the main melody of enterprise development. From equipment and energy management to human resources, from processing and manufacturing to intelligent operation and maintenance, comprehensive resource sharing has been fully integrated into the Intelligent Parks ecosystem, serving as a solid guarantee for customer service. From a spark of fire to the rise of civilization, from one innovation to another creation, from disrupting the high-end equipment market to leading the industry's development, we fulfill our mission with top-notch quality and sincere service. Craftsmanship leads to excellence. Let's move forward hand in hand, embarking on a new journey of development together.